Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable telemetry data collection in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to press on your keyboard Windows plus R. Here, you have to type press edit and press on OK or enter. Click on yes. Now click on H key local machine. Now click on software. And now go to policies and click on Microsoft. Now go to Windows and click on data collection. Now click the right button of your mouse, press on new and click on dword 32-bit value. Give a name. And double click on this. You have to put the value data 0 and press on OK. So this is how you can disable telemetry data collection in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.